everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is blessed. I am blessed. And I hope everyone is blessed today. I'm going to come to you, and I want you all to know that this is a wonderful week starting. This is almost the end of the week. And I hope you all have had some nice, wonderful days, even past your Mother's Day. And I hope everyone was blessed, and I know that you are blessed. And I hope you all continue to be blessed. And so I'm going to, got my scripture there. Here is my scripture for today. Love is patient. Love is kind. It always protects. Always trust. Always hope. Always preserve. 1 Corinthians 13, 4 and 7. Love is patient. Love is kind. It always protects. Always trust, always hope, and always preserve. 1 Corinthians 13, 4 and 7. Thank you for the reading of my verses today. I hope it will help someone today, tomorrow, or next year, whenever you all are reading or looking at the video. I want God to bless you all from the reading of the scripture that I've just read. Thank you so much. Now I'm getting ready to make this collard greens. And I already have today I am doing them with pork. All right, so these are what I have on pudding. I have ham hocks in these today. I started cooking ham hocks last week, so I wanted to go ahead on and just use them for the greens today. Normally I don't use them. I usually put turkey meat in them, but I had this already started. So I'm deciding. Now I'm putting onions, little sliced onions in here now. I had to put a few in at a time because this pot is kind of small. Cook down a little bit, and then I'll turn them over and try to put the other one in. I'm going to put the top on so they can steam down a little bit. And I'll put the rest in there. Yeah, I'll put some there. I'll probably have them for dinner on Sunday or whatever. I'm going to be putting my ingredients in. This is my onion powder. I had to put a little bit more when I put the others in also. Onion powder. I guess the garlic powder. The other was the onion powder. And this is a complete. Okay. I got to go and get the honey. I put a little honey in it after it cooked down a little bit. I put a little onion soup mix in it also.
It's a little onion soup mix, y'all. Onion soup mix. Let me show them the box. Onion soup mix. Onion soup mix. Oh, them greens smell good. Ooh. Lord, Miss Claudia. And that's the broth, y'all, of the ham hocks that's in there. That's the broth of the ham hocks. Come on, get y'all a plate of cornbread and collard greens. You wanna say how long did you cook your ham hocks?
These ham hocks were frozen when I put them on, so I cooked them about 2 hours. They cooked about 2 hours because they were pretty good size. I know it's gonna be good. I don't cook ham hocks a lot of time. Okay, I was able to get them down. So man, that was good.
Ooh, y'all, that's gonna be some good old collard greens.
I just added garlic powder. This is complete. And onion powder now. Okay, I'm also fixing to put honey in it now.
Mm-hmm.
Greens were so good until I could not wait till I got ready to do my final presentation to show you how good the greens were. And I see all these ham hocks I cooked in, the ham hocks I cooked in, they were totally delicious. And all I cooked is just the regular onions, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of honey, and that's it. And little onion soup dip. And I tell you guys, this was delicious, and I couldn't wait till I get back on to show you. I was kind of hungry, and I already started eating as it is, so I wanted to show you the final presentation of them. And they were very good. So God bless you. Have a good night. Nothing but collard greens and cornbread from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thank you so much. And they were good. Bye-bye now.